What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and also the overall market. And I have a very disappointing video for you guys today. The overall market, dozens and dozens of growth stocks absolutely rallied today. SoFi should have been in that category, but of course, we lagged the overall market and we're also bleeding in the after hours. A typical day for SoFi. The reason for that is because retail investors have failed themselves. I have seen this happen time and time again with companies like a Palantir, a company like Neo, high, retail, stocks that have, high retail interest. And the exact same thing is happening to the SoFi stock. We are not getting high quality investors inside of the SoFi stock right now. We are getting people that want to get rich extremely quick, want to make money extremely fast. Options have absolutely killed the SoFi stock to 14-month lows. If you want the SoFi stock to rally back to $20 to $25 plus, you need to be buying up 100% shares and you need to be selling any options that you have and encouraging other people to sell the options as well and get rid of them, because this is going to continue to happen for as long as the big money wants. The same exact thing that happened to Palantir, Neo, and a dozen other, high retail motivated stocks. We need to put our foot down right now and actually become real investors. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about right now. SoFi has some of the highest open interest of call options for the weeklies this week that I have ever seen. We're talking 5 to 7 other stocks combined, the exact open interest. I'm going to show you those details in this video. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and be sure to smash the like button and drop a comment. Are you buying up SoFi shares right now at these levels? Let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I'm following about 63 growth stocks right now just to see, where the overall, market is going, different sectors. I like to just keep up to date. As we see a couple of stocks at the bottom, Apple, Alphabet, Netflix, some of the mega caps, 1% gain, 2%. SoFi lagged the overall market, 2.7% gain overall. But guys, if we scroll to the top, some of these stocks were absolutely rallying today. I mean, look at this. Cloudflare, 7. C Limited, 7. Coinbase, 7. Block, 7. Robinhood, Snowflake, Shopify, 8. Datadog, Affirm, Spotify, Roku, 9. Trade Desk, 10. Pinterest, 11. I'm not going to really pay attention to the top 4 right here because they had earnings, so they have a reason to really rally. All these other companies didn't even report earnings. They just rally because they've been oversold. And I'm going to show you exactly why SoFi continues to miss out on these market reversal opportunities and lag the overall market. And let's not forget about the typical stock movement we're always getting, the after hours bleed. This has been going on for 2 to 3 months. I'm so used to that by now, I don't even pay attention to it no more. Let's get into the options that I'm talking about. As you guys can see, the trade desk had an incredible day, almost at 11% move. Call option open interest, 16,000 on the weeklies. You may think that's high, you may think that's low. We're going to show you the data at the end of this video. 16,000. Roku, an incredible day, 9% gain. Option open interest on the calls for the weeklies, 26,000. Okay, let's keep going. Spotify, an incredible day today, 9% gain. Look at the call option open interest, 18,000. Affirm, an incredible day, 9% gain. Call option open interest, 37,000. Bill.com, 36% gain. This actually had an earnings. And guys, the call option open interest is still moderate, 29,000. Datadog, 8.8% gain. Call option open interest, only 8,000. And SoFi, a 2.7% gain, losing almost 0.8% after hours, so not even a 2% gain on the day. Call option open interest, 117,000, guys. Sometimes attention is great. Sometimes, the media is great talking about your stock, but when you're getting the wrong investors inside of your stock, trying to play call options and not buying shares, you're going to miss out on these market rallies that we're seeing in days like today where, 10 to 20 growth stocks rallied 7 to 10% or more. And guys, this is the SoFi platform. And as you guys can see, I'm doing my part on these pullbacks, continuing to buy up shares every single day. You can see on the 28th, I bought $150. The stock was selling off into the $10 range, so I put in like $3.5 grand. I bought $50 on the first, $100 on the third, $50, another $100 today. I continue to buy up shares at these discounts because I'm guaranteed to not lose my money gambling on weekly options. And that's why the stock couldn't even finish above $12 because the strike prices for open interest on $12 to $20 calls this week was absolutely insane. And if you really want to support the channel, guys, you can get $25 worth of free stock if you deposit $100 in the SoFi Invest platform. That's the same exact platform that I'm using right now. The link is in the comment section. Be sure to sign up and get your free $25 in stock. And I just did a video yesterday explaining to you that SoFi has hit the highest short selling open interest volume, whatever you want to call it, percentage all time, guys. We had 17% yesterday, and the calls are the reason why this is happening. Trade Desk, Roku, Spotify, Affirm, Bill.com, and Datadog, 105,000 open interest on the calls. Just SoFi alone, 117,000 calls. That's why we are not getting these rallies, guys. As you guys can see, the reason why some of these companies have lower open interest is because they've been on the market for a longer period of time. 6 years, 5 years, 4 years. Affirm is the only one. 1 year, Bill.com 3 years, and Datadog 3 years. Of course, SoFi 1 year on the market. So what is happening right now is you're getting what is called a 1 year flush out on the stock. The stock is at all-time lows after being on the market for over a year. And that's because there is a lot of, new retail investors continuing trying to get rich extremely fast. And the big money, the money makers, the hedge funds, they're going to continue to hold this bad boy down until the weak hands are out and they stop gambling on the weeklies. As you guys can see, the SoFi open interest is totaling up to 6 total companies open interest. We need to stop buying calls. Be sure to share this video. I want as many people to see this video as possible. I usually don't get a lot of video views on a Friday, but let's try and get this one to as many people as we possibly can, guys. All you have to do is buy shares, and they will have no reason to short this thing because they're not going to have to pay out these crazy, ridiculous option open interests. And once again, I think this is a great time to be buying shares because I believe the NASDAQ has bottomed, last Monday, okay? We had a little bit of a nasty day, yesterday because of Facebook, but Facebook is not a reason to not invest in, the stock market, okay? That's one company that is lagging behind because of, limited growth. And if we just look at the 1 month chart, the NASDAQ is looking to hit a nice reversal next week because, we're getting great earnings and, dozens of other companies like a Microsoft, Google, Apple, all these companies are doing extremely solid. Facebook is just one of those mega caps that lag behind. So looking at the 1 year chart, the NASDAQ has so much room to run to get to all-time highs. The NASDAQ is literally at 1% gain in 1 year. So guys, a lot of room to run, and that's why I'm loading up on the SoFi stock. I also think this is going to be a profitable company in 2022 now that they have a bank charter license. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. I hope this video opens up your eyes so you can understand what is really going on under the hood with the SoFi stock itself. The company is doing absolutely amazing, but there is so much interest from new retail investors, trying to get rich too quickly, and that is causing too many options to be purchased in short-term variations. This is causing the stock to be held down by the money makers, the hedge funds, and the big money, while other stocks with extremely low open interest are having nice rallies when the NASDAQ is finally getting to reverse. We don't want to miss out on these solid gains. You need to be buying up shares, holding for the long term, and also encouraging people to buy shares as well. These short-term options will not get us nowhere. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.